In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tags in Shopify. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your products, improve search, and make collections easier to manage. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to remove existing tags and add new ones to a product in your Shopify store. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. Once you're in your main Shopify dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. From this menu, look for the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This will take you to a list of all the products in your store. On the Products page, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the specific product you want to edit. When you see the product you'd like to update, click directly on its name. That will open the detailed product page, where you can change things like the title, description, pricing, and of course, tags. Once the product page is open, scroll down until you find the section labeled Organization. Inside this section, you'll see an area called Tags. There will be an empty field where you can type new tags, and underneath that, you'll see all the tags that are currently applied to this product. If you want to remove a tag, look at the list of existing tags and find the one you no longer need. Each tag has a small X icon next to it. Click on the X next to the tag you want to remove. As soon as you click it, that tag will disappear from the list for this product. Remember, removing a tag only affects the organization of this product. It doesn't delete the product itself. To add a new tag, click into the empty tags field in the same organization section. Type in the tag you'd like to use. Try to keep tags clear and consistent. For example, summer, sale, or new arrival, depending on how you want to group your products. Once you've typed the tag, Shopify will show an option to add it. Click on Add to confirm and attach that tag to the product. After you've finished removing and adding tags, don't forget to save your changes. Go to the top or bottom of the page and click the Save button. Wait a moment for Shopify to update, and your new tag settings